Umbrella strollers are a quintessential travel companion for families on the go. They offer a lightweight, compact solution for daily errands, airline travel, and theme park days, where bulkier full-size strollers are impractical. The category often trades off features like recline depth, storage capacity, and durability for portability, so assessing what matters most to you, weight, folded size, recline positions.
Product number 1, Jeep Adventure Glide Stroller by Delta Children. Lightweight travel stroller with smoothest ride. The Jeep Adventure Glide is Delta Children's compact, lightweight umbrella stroller with a 3-position recline, extra-large storage basket, and a 16-pound frame, listed as 15 pounds in specs. It emphasizes a smooth ride with precision swivel front wheels, puncture-proof 6-inch tires, and a UPF 50+ canopy. The fold is a straightforward umbrella fold with an auto latch, and dimensions when folded are 9.5 inches L by 6.7 inches wide by 41.7 inches H, which aligns with theme park size expectations. Performance-wise, the 6-inch wheels and front swivel with a locking rear brake provide predictable handling on sidewalks and light terrain. The 5-point harness, reflective shoulder pads, and JPMA certification add a safety baseline.
Product number 2, Co-Craft Cloud Plus Lightweight Umbrella Stroller for Toddlers with Reclining Seat. The Co-Craft Cloud Plus is positioned as a budget-friendly, ultra-lightweight option at 12.8 to 13 pounds with a 3-tier canopy, large storage basket, and parent-child trays. It supports a 50-pound weight limit and offers multiple recline positions with a 5-point harness. It distinctly targets travelers and families who need something vehicle car ready and Disney theme park approved, emphasizing one-hand steering and a compact folded size of 18 by 12 by 34 inches. In practice, its lightweight and self-standing folds are major conveniences for airline travel and car trunks. The inclusion of a 3-cup holder capacity and a large storage basket addresses practical day-to-day needs, while the reclining seat helps with longer outings. Product number 3, Halk Lightweight. Halk's Sport Model is a lightweight, compact travel stroller with a 13.2-pound weight, aluminum frame, 5-point harness, and a large built-in storage basket. It emphasizes adjustable backrest, leg rest, and a foldable design, aiming to balance comfort with portability. The folded size is 29.5 by 17.7 by 39.4 inches and is designed for infants with 39.4-inch height. In use, the adjustable backrest and padded seats support comfortable positioning, while the front wheels offer swiveling, lockable operation for versatile navigation. The stroller's weight and dimensions place it squarely in the travel-friendly segment, with an ASTM/JPMA certification backing safety. However, the absence of a mention of a sun canopy extendability or a multi-position recline beyond basic seating could limit sun protection and long-wearing comfort on extended days.
Product number 4, Lightweight Travel Stroller for Baby. Kula Bobby's gray travel stroller emphasizes one-hand fold, multiple reclining positions, and a carry handle for easy transport. The folded size is compact, 22 by 15 by 35 inches, with a 14-pound frame weight, and it advertises airplane-ready portability along with an extendable sun canopy and 33 pounds maximum weight recommendation. In practical terms, the one-hand fold and carry handle make it particularly appealing for frequent travelers and parents managing busy days. The stroller's canopy is described as extendable, and the unit includes a spacious storage basket. The fabric composition includes 80% cotton, 20% rayon canopy materials, and a partial canopy design, which may impact shade coverage on bright days. While the product supports car seat compatibility, product number 5, Lightweight Travel Baby Stroller. The BB Who model is marketed as a compact, airplane-friendly stroller
with the memory foam mattress-inspired seating and breathable mesh fabric, aiming to improve baby comfort on long trips. It features a partial canopy, a 6.6 kilograms, approximately 14.5 pounds weight, and a modest folded footprint, 27.6 inches L by 18.5 inches W by 40.9 inches H. The stroller supports a maximum weight recommendation of 77 pounds, 35 kilograms, according to product spec, which exceeds typical umbrella stroller expectations and includes a 5-point harness. In practice, the combination of 4-wheel shock-absorbent tires and 360-degree swivel front wheels offers versatile navigation across varied surfaces. The design emphasizes UV protection with detachable sunscreens and a visible sunroof, which can be appealing for sunny travel days.